back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing wash day with one of my favorite brands, and I kind of feel like this is my first video on my channel with this brand. I love the Doux, and that's their Instagram name, by the way. I love the Doux. And if you guys know this brand, you just know that we align so well because, girl, they even got me bringing out my bamboo earrings back out. So today we're going to be washing our hair, actually co-washing, but it's still pretty much the same routine. So we're going to talk about that. But yeah, let's get started. Okay, hold on, I'm almost done. So let's get started. The first two products we're going to be using, this is the CoWash, One Love CoWash, and the We Want Easy Texture Tamer, which is a leave-in conditioner. But first, we have to co-wash. Before we hop in the shower to co-wash, I am going to section my hair. Lately, I've been doing 3 sections because usually I just do the back by itself. I used to do 4 sections, but I ended up combining them anyway, so yeah. So we're just going to do one large one in the back. We are now ready to jump in the shower and start our wash day, and I'm going to be using the Doux One Love Co-Wash. This is a gentle hair and scalp cleanser and a deep conditioning treatment all in one product. Yes, all in one product. So first I pretty much put it all over the back section first, and I start to finger detangle. I always go in steps. This product is very slippery, lots of slip, so I'm able to really get through my kinky hair with ease. So after that, I use my Felicia Leatherwood detangling brush to also detangle. I always go in steps with fingers first because your fingers are more, sensitive to knots and tangles, and then once I have it nice and detangled with my fingers, that I like to go in with the brush because that also makes my curls really pop. It also distributes the product evenly, and of course don't forget about your scalp. You can cleanse your scalp with this product as well. Co-washing is pretty much for all hair types, especially those like me who usually stick to stretch styles that you don't have to use a lot of product on because you don't want your hair to really revert. Because again, this is a gentle hair and scalp cleanser. So if you're using heavier products, you're gonna want to shampoo, but if you don't use that many products, co-washing is great. And this product really left my hair feeling really soft. It was so shiny and like bouncy, like the elasticity was just there. But anyway, we just rinsed out all of the co-wash. It was easy to rinse out, and now we are ready to go in with the leave-in conditioner. Now this leave-in conditioner is magical, just like the co-wash. First of all, look at that bounce. Look at the shine. Look at how easy I'm able to just glide that detangling brush through my hair. Like, I instantly saw the difference just in this section alone. But yeah, so this leave-in, it doubles as a leave-in conditioner and a blow dry lotion because we are going to be blow drying our hair. But first I just go through, I actually make 4 sections this time. I apply the leave-in, detangle, and twist and bantu. I'll leave my hair like this for a few hours, sometimes overnight, before I go in to blow dry and stretch, because I just feel like if you let your hair air dry, that's less time you will have to use the blow dryer on your hair, which means you'll be less prone to damage. But this leave-in got us covered as well, so if you want to blow dry, go ahead and blow dry, girl. I hope you guys are enjoying this footage. I not only wanted to film to do this tutorial, and to shout out the Doux. But I also wanted to just inspire you guys to wash your hair, because I know there's days you just don't feel like it. I can totally relate to that. So hopefully this is helping. Now go wash your hair. As far as the technique I use to blow dry my hair, I like to do the tension method first. So I'll take a small section and I'll detangle it, and then I'll hold it all the way to the end, and then I use the blow dryer to go up and down the hair. And then once it's already stretched, I'll go in with my detangling brush again, and I'll really try to detangle it and smooth it out with the blow dryer. I know I should just get a comb for my blow dryer, but I really love the Felicia detangling brush. She should make a detachment, by the way. Now that our hair is lightly blow dried, we are going to go in with the Doux product, which is their Most Def Texture Foam. This mousse is everything. Do you hear me? Everything. Now I'll have to do another tutorial where I use a lot of this product. She has so many tutorials where she saturates the hair with this product, and it just really defines your curls. But we're going for a more stretched look. So I'm not going to use too much of the product, just enough, mostly at the ends, to make sure that my hair it has a light hold, because I want this to be a stretch style, similar to a video I posted announcing my pregnancy, or a letter to Ryan. That's what it was. Everybody wanted to see how I did that style, so this is how I did it. It's basically 2 flat twists going straight back. That's it in one product, just this texture foam. When I get to the end, I like to bantu knot the twist, and then I use a goodie hairband to lock it in as well, because I want this to have a nice curl at the end. I don't want it to be straight and blah. And our last step is I'm going to use the Swagoo edge control gel on my edges. And you guys, I will rock this style as is, or I'll just put a wig on top, because as you can see, I made it very tight on the perimeter of my hair, so we really get those ringlets set. So I'll either rock it like this, wear a scarf at night, or put my wig on, because my wig acts as a scarf and it really smooths and makes sure my hair is baking so it can be popping the next day. Guys, this is pretty much it. Special shout out to the Doux. I love your brand and I wish you much success. You guys pick up these products at Target, and definitely stay tuned because we are going to be doing the takedown process, just not yet.